Welcome to ABM Edutech, your trusted partner in professional training and placement services. We empower your career with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos and career tips. Hello, and welcome to this beginner-friendly introduction to HTML, the backbone of web development. Whether you're an aspiring web designer or developer, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, we'll explore what HTML is, its history, and why it's essential for building web pages. So, let's get started with HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It was first developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 to help researchers share scientific information. Over time, HTML evolved significantly. In 1995, the first official standard, HTML 2.0, was introduced. By 1999, HTML 4.01 became a widely adopted version. Fast forward to 2012, and we got HTML5, the latest version with more robust features for modern web design. But what exactly is HTML? Simply put, it's the language that tells your browser how to display content. Think of it as a blueprint for a web page, using tags to mark up the text. For example, creates paragraphs, defines headers, and lets you create clickable links, also known as hypertext. Now, who is this tutorial for? If you're a beginner, eager to learn how to create web pages or start a career in web development, or want to brush your HTML skills, this is the perfect starting point. However, before we begin, there are a few things you should already be familiar with. These include using text editors like Notepad or Notepad++, creating and managing directories and files, navigating through folders, saving files and understanding image formats like JPEG and PNG. Great. Now that we're set, let's explore how HTML works. Hypertext lets you link pages together, creating a seamless web experience. And as a markup language, HTML uses tags to format your content. Here's a basic HTML structure. Inside, you have the section for metadata and the section for visible content. You can create headings with 2E, paragraphs with AE, and links with. When viewed in a browser, this code transforms into a web page with a header, a paragraph, and a clickable link. It's that simple. Congratulations, you've just taken your first step into web development. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you get a solid start with HTML. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Also download our app ABM Edutech for more videos. Links is given in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy coding.